Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about making complex tech topics easy to understand. Today, we're going to tackle a question many of you have asked. How do I scale a microservice running an EKS based on CPU usage? This is vital when running a microservice architecture on the AWS platform using Elastic Kubernetes service. Let's dive right in. First off, let's understand the basic concepts. In essence, Kubernetes is a powerful system designed to manage container deployments in a distributed environment. And one of the key features of Kubernetes is its ability to automatically scale applications based on resource utilization, such as CPU usage. To scale your microservice, the first step is to set up your EKS cluster. Remember to configure the EKS cluster to include metrics server, which will provide CPU usage data. This can be done using the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or any other tool that supports AWS EKS. Once your EKS cluster is up and running, deploy your microservice into it. Make sure you configure the deployment resource specs in your Kubernetes manifest file, including the CPU resource request and limit for each pod in your deployment. Now for the exciting part, auto-scaling. To scale your microservice based on CPU usage, you need to set up a Kubernetes resource called a Horizontal Pod Autoscaler or HPA. This component automatically scales the number of pods in a deployment, replica set, or replication controller based on observed CPU utilization. A simple way to set up HPA is by running the kubectl autoscale command. Specify the deployment you want to scale, define the CPU percentage threshold, and set the minimum and the maximum number of pods. After setting up the HPA, don't forget to test your configuration too. Make sure everything works as expected. You can artificially increase the load on your service and see if Kubernetes correctly scales up the number of pods. Congratulations! You've just learned how to scale a microservice running on EKS based on CPU usage. Remember, the key to an efficient system is to understand your workload and set appropriate CPU thresholds. Hopefully, this video empowers you to keep your applications running smoothly, even when demand surges. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy scaling, and see you in our next tutorial.